Yo, so today I hit over 100K in royalties all time on my Merch by Amazon account. Very big accomplishment. I'm so excited. And let's go do an overview of my account and break down the stats on everything that I've been doing on my account. You can see like my top products, top colors, all that stuff. Let's do an overview and let's check out these stats and see like what my top selling product is and stuff like that. So let's get into the video. I'm excited. If you guys want also too, there's a lot of questions about me. When did I start this journey? I'll put the link up right here. I have my very first YouTube video, and I kind of go over everything. So you guys can check that out. It's my very first YouTube video that I put out. So that's pretty cool. And you guys can get an idea of when I started, and I break it down right there too as well. But in this video, let's talk about, like I said, let's get into the computer and talk about my merch account that hit over 100K in royalties recently. Pretty excited. Let's do this. Alright guys, yo, what's going on? I'm right here in the computer. I'm right here on the back end of Pretty Merch. Makes everything look pretty and all organized. And as you guys can see, right here, I just loaded it right now, the all-time sales. So 32,000 sales all time. 4 more away from having 1,000 returns. Is that another milestone? I had a few people comment about that. They're like, dude, that's gonna be another milestone right there. And like I said, I just passed over 100K in royalties today. And I'll be honest right now, the merch by Amazon, it hasn't really been my focus over the last 12 months, just because just all the stuff that they've been doing. A little frustrating, you know. There's a little bit of last year, then Cyber Monday, they resetted all the ASINs and messed up all my sales. That kind of got me mad right there a little bit, and it's kind of just unmotivated me a little bit. But and then I had to go back and reprice all the listings that I had because I was running AMS ads. I would do a breakdown on that too as well, but my old account got wiped out because when they switched everything over, and it was just very frustrating right there because they did all that, and I would love to do AMS breakdown for you guys, but I have a new account and I really haven't spent that much on it because the people are asking too is like, what's your AMS account for your merch? How much have you spent on ads with Merch by Amazon? There was a year where I spent around a 5,000 to 7,000 in a year, and it was like I did some crazy. I forgot exactly how much I did. I think I did about 30K or 40K in 5 months, 6 months. And then the next year I did 43K. And okay, there's over also too my very first video, kind of break all that stuff down. You guys can check that out too. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel too as well. I really appreciate that. I'm just gonna give you guys a breakdown on my Merch by Amazon account so you guys can see everything right here. So like I said, 4 away from 1,000 returns. That's another milestone, right? And at the very beginning too, I started this journey, I would actually price my shirts really low, but the last 2 months I haven't been really. I stopped pricing really low. I'm going straight to $15.95, $99, around that little cute little area, $16.99, just trying to get that $2, $3 royalty. Before I was a big fan of pricing low, but now I'm not so much of that. And you guys can see right here, so I just hit over, like I said, I hit over 100K in royalties. The average royalty on this account is $3. That's not too bad at all. That's not too bad. Like I said, it's not too bad at all. It's right there, just kind of like that demand. It seems like with the sweet spot with Merch by Amazon too as well. I know a lot of people want to get more for their sale, but there's a lot more competition on the platform. Okay, there's a lot that you have to take into consideration when you're doing this stuff. Like I said, one of the main goals is if you can get on, one of the main things that I've seen is if you can get your design on that front page and ranking really well on that front page, you're going to get more sales. And it doesn't matter what you kind of price it at, but you still want to be competitive. Because you'll get more sales if you're you're being competitive. But one of the most important things is ranking on the front page because you get a lot of traffic. Okay, next thing is the top products. You guys can see right here, my standard t-shirt is at 91%. Now you guys, this account is, I think from 2017, so about 3 years old, I believe it is. You can see, so with the standard t-shirts, so when I first got my account, they only had a few products on there, okay, and standard t-shirts was one of them, and I think it was premium t-shirts. Now we have all these products right here. So I'm like an OG. If you guys are unaware of me, if you guys never heard about me or anything like you, I make a lot of content around merch by Amazon, and you guys can see like the products that I have uploaded to that made sales. The raglan, the V-neck, the tank top, the pop sockets, sweatshirts. None of the stuff right here, like pretty much all the stuff down from right here, was never on here before. It was just these two at one time, and now we got all these products now. So that's you guys got to keep that in consideration. That's why a big part of my account are standard T-shirts, because that's at one time I would just only upload to those. Okay, all these other stuff like the V-neck T-shirts, all those other products weren't here before. So you guys can see like a majority of my sales are from standard T-shirts. But with that being said, too, like you can see like standard T-shirts do really well still to this day. Okay. Now the types of the top fit types, you can see men and women and youth and unisex. I'm not sure where that came from. I think that's sweatshirts, right, or something like that. I'm not sure what it is exactly. It depends on your audience, of course. As you can see that most of my shirts are men, 47%, right? Yeah. And now let's go on to the next one. So top colors, you can see we got black, navy, royal blue, pink, purple, dark heather, asphalt, slate, red, white, heather blue, and so on and so on. And you can see these are the raglan ones that you can see. There's different colors in one. Of course, like the black shirts that's like the top selling for me. You know, a lot of people that I know too, like the black shirts are the top selling. Yeah. So black and navy are pretty much for most of the merch by Amazon accounts that I have seen, those are the top colors. Like again, it just all plays into like what you're designing for, who you're designing for. There's a lot that comes into play right here. So yeah, and I see also to go back to the top products, I see people that are crushing with just pop sockets, you know what I mean? Because that's what they designed for. So you got to kind of like, now we have so many products, you got to understand what you're designing for and like who's buying, like who's you're purchasing, who's going to purchase the item. So yeah. And then right here, we're going to go down to the top 5 most like designs sold on my account. As you guys can see, they're standard T-shirts, right? So this one has over 1,200 sales, 41 returns at 5,400 royalties. And you guys can see the number 1 product on my store, women buy it, 919. The second one, 975, 58 returns, over $3,000 in royalties, and mostly women buy that one. Now this one right here, 944 sales, 11 returns, over 2,790, 45 cents in royalties, and mostly men buy this one. And you guys can see the color breakdowns too as well, right here. And then the next one, 763, 36 returns, $2,800 in royalties. It's a standard T-shirt, and like kids buy this one, mostly kids. Okay, you can see the colors, purple, pink, all those cute little colors. Now this one's pretty cool because you can see 531 sales, no returns. So that's pretty cool, and over 2,000 in royalties. And kids buy this. The parents buy this one. Kids can't buy it, but yeah. That's I just want to, yeah, that's pretty cool. Kind of see like these are designs that I put up from a long time ago, and they're making sales, and they're making sales to this day. So this is pretty cool, pretty interesting. A big accomplishment for me. I'm really excited that I hit this mark. But like I said, I really like I've been like, you guys haven't been following me. I do upload to a lot of the other platforms, and I just growing everything, man. I have a team behind everything that I do. And if you guys are unaware, like I don't design none of my stuff. I do more of the research. I have a team that helps me with the process of designing. I do the research. They see the ideas, and we kind of just go in and we take over niches. I have two illustrators on the team, one designer on the team. And like I said, we just come in and see where there's a demand, and we just come in and just try to be the best in that niche. That's what I've been focusing on this all of 2019, just trying to grow everything and be up on every single platform. Right now, the most success that I've been having is with Etsy. And if you guys are not aware of that, we're going to do an Etsy challenge coming up in the next couple of days. We have that opened up. I'm pretty excited for that because I've been having a lot of success on Etsy this whole year. That one just hit, I think it was like 62K in revenue. And in the last, 62K in revenue, if you want to include shipping, I think I'm at, 71K or something like that. So I'm right on track to hit over 100K in revenue on Etsy too as well. But with the merch account, let's just keep it to the merch by Amazon account. The merch by Amazon account is this is where I first started. So I appreciate this a lot right here by hitting this. It's a big thing for me, and this is what started it all. This is what like I said, this is what made me want to start making content for everyone and helping other people build on print on demand and have them understanding the business. And now I'm having so much success right now. So this is pretty cool. I wanted to do a breakdown for you guys and show you every little thing. Hopefully this helped. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Peace out.